Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress without Xampp. Many people think a local server like Xampp is essential, but there are several excellent alternatives available. We will cover cloud-based hosting, specialized local development tools, and the process of deploying your site. This guide will help you set up your WordPress site efficiently, giving you flexibility and ease of use for your projects. Cloud hosting is a fantastic way to run WordPress without any local server setup. Providers like SiteGround or WP Engine offer optimized environments. You simply choose a plan, and with just one click, WordPress is installed and ready. Managed hosting plans even take care of server maintenance, security, and updates, freeing up your time to focus on content creation and site design. If you prefer to develop locally before going live, there are powerful alternatives to Xampp. Tools like Local by Flywheel or DevKinsta create a complete local WordPress environment on your computer with just a few clicks. They include all necessary components, like a web server and database, and often offer features for easy site staging and pushing your site to a live host. Once your local WordPress site is ready, deploying it to a live server is straightforward. Many hosting providers offer migration services, or you can use popular plugins like Duplicator or all-in-one WP migration. These tools package your entire site for easy transfer. Remember to always set up regular backups, perhaps daily or weekly, to ensure your site's data is safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.